Hi, good morning dear friends. This is Kasimappa, Assistant Mathematics Teacher from SVM School, Arginmaraikam. Dear friends, this is part 1 video for the 7th standard, your second chapter, that is fractions and decimals. Dear children, the contents related to these fractions and decimals already we have discussed. In our today class, yes, exercise problems, exercise 2.1. First exercise problem we have to solve. See here, first question number 1, solve. In that sub question number 1, 2 minus 3 by 5. Here just make it cross multiply, that will be 2 5 5 2s are 10 minus 3 divided by 5. Then 10 minus 3 means 7 by 5. 7 by 5. I will keep this answer in mixed fraction, that is 1 whole 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 by 5. Okay. Let us see the next question number second. Here just make it cross multiply. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7 all divided by 8. 32 plus 7 is 39. 39 all divided by 8. Then keep this answer in a decimal form. That will be 8 4 all. 4 all. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7. 7 by 8. Here 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7. 39 by 8. 39 by 8. Let us see example 3. Here 5 and 7 different denominators are there. 5 and 7 denominators we are going to be called as co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, always LCM of the co-prime numbers is product of numbers. Yes, let us see. You have to multiply your 7 here 5, because LCM between the 5 and 7 is 35. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2 5s are 10. LCM is 35. You know that very well. LCM is between the 5 and 7 is 35. That's why. Yes, next dear children, 21 plus 10 is 31 divided by 35. You can't do anything because this is the ultimate here. Because if the given fraction is improper, then we can convert it into mixed fraction. But this given 31 by 35 is a proper fraction. We can't do anything. Keep as this. Okay dear children, let us see the next problem is fourth problem. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 50. See once again. 11 and 5, these two numbers are co-prime numbers because there is no common factors between the 11 and 15. That's why multiply here 15. Then this 4 we have to multiply here 11, because LCM of the 11 and 15 is the product of the given numbers itself. 11 into 15, that equal to 15 ones are 15 plus then 15 ones are 15, that is 165. LCM of 11 and 15 is 165. Okay, leave it. Then dear children, here 59s are 15. 59s are, yes, that is 135. 15 into 9. 9 5s are 15. 1 is carry. Then 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 1 are 10. Sorry. 15 9s are. Here see once again 15 9s are. Yes, 15 9s are. 9 5s are 35. Sorry. 35. 3 has carry. Then 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 5s are 45. Sorry. 9 5s are 45. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 4 are 13. That is 135. 135 minus 11 4s are 44. All divided by LCM between the 11 and 15. LCM between the 11 and 15. Yes, we have done it. Yes, this is 44, this is 44, 11 into 15, 15 plus then 15, that is 165, this is 165 LCM. Then dear children, subtract here 135 minus 44, here 50, sorry, already 5 is there, now 5 minus 4 means 1, 13 minus 4 means 9, 13 minus 4 means 9, that's why this answer is dears, that is 91 by 165, 91 by 165, this is the answer. Let us see dear children, next problem. Here see us 3 fractions are given, 7 by 10, 2 by 5, 3 by 2. LCM between these things, I will find out LCM 10, 5, then 2. Then make it by using that better, you have to take it 5. Yes, that is, sorry, 2. 2 5s are, 5 has this, 2 1s are. Then you have to find out 5 1s are, 5 1s has this. LCM between these things is 10. Multiplied here 1, you have to multiply here 2, multiplied here 5, because LCM for all these things is 10, that's why. 7 1s are 7, plus 2 2s are 4, plus 3 5s are 15, all divided by LCM is how much? LCM is 10. LCM is 10. Now add the numerators. Here 7 plus 4 are 11, 11 plus 15, 11 plus 15, that is 26. 26 by 10. Keep this. 26 by 10 is improper. We can keep in mixed fraction, that is 2 whole 6 by 10. Because 10 2s are 20, 20 plus 6, 26 by 10, right? Let us see dear children, question number 6 is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 2. You know that very well, LCM between 3 and 2 is 6. Here I will multiply here 2 because of LCM 6, 3 2s are 6. I will multiply here 3 because 2 3s are 6. That's why 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21, all divided by 6. Then here 21 plus 16 is, that is, here that is 37. 37 divided by 6. I can keep this in 6 whole 1 by 6. Because 6 is a 36, 36 plus 1, 37 by 6. Okay, it's completes your question number 6. Dear children, remaining problems contained to your exercise 2.1 I will take up in my next class. Thanking you all. Bye.